Hi, in today's video, I want to share with you one of my favorite tool for identifying the number of searches for a particular keyword on SEO is called Keyword Everywhere. So once I install this software, actually it's a Chrome extension, right? If I just refresh my Google, you can see the huge difference. Right now, I will have, like for example, on my right side here, I will have related keywords that is given by the software together with the number of searches or the volume, right? Now, this is just an indication. I would say you take it with a pinch of salt, probably about 50% accurate. And you get all the keywords that is related to e-commerce trading, right? And on top of my keyword, my main keyword that I just type in, you can see there's a volume here of 1,300, CPC of 2.81, and they also give you the trend, right? So with just one glance, you get all this data, and it's very powerful. And I like that simply because I can find hidden keywords given by this software or this add-on on Chrome extension for me to target for SEO. So if you want to install this, it's very simple. All you need to do is just type in Keyword Everywhere extension. Very simple. You can just go Chrome extension, click on it, add to Chrome. I don't want to remove mine and then teach you. It's pretty straightforward. But once you install, you have the top right button here, the K, the top right button, the K, is very important for you to click on the K, and you need to go to the settings, right? Once you go to the settings, you need to enter the API key. The API key will be given to you when you enter your email. So make sure that you submit a valid email. And once you get the API key, come into the K, the top right K, key in your API key. I will suggest do not change anything. And once you're done, good. You're done, right? Now, you will probably get half the data. For example, you will get additional keywords here, like the related keywords and what people are searching, but you will not get the volume. The volume only comes in when you click on K and you purchase additional credits. Now, it's very cheap, it's 100,000 credits for $10. So 100,000 credit for $10, probably even 1 or 2 years, you use, you cannot finish using it. And that is why I'm going to recommend this very powerful tool for you. For a small price, you can get 100,000 data on this keyword. So once you're not using it, you can just go back to K and off it. And once you want the data, you can turn it on. So probably you can use it for 2 years, and that shouldn't be a problem. Now, my account is quite old, but I believe the latest account, if you just install, you will have only 1 year expiry date. So that's the update. Credit expire in 1 year. So what? It's only $10, right? I mean, how many credits can you use? So all the best. Thank you. So I'll put a link below this video. Just click on the extension, go to Google, install it, and get it done. All the best, guys.